Transferring money from PayPal with Revolut is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To transfer money to PayPal with Revolut, all you need to do is simply follow these steps. First things first, you need to open up your Revolut app and head on over to your account balance. From there, select the currency that you want to transfer and tap on it. Next up, you'll see a few different options, including Add Money, Exchange, and Send. We want to select Send for this transfer. Now, it's time to enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Make sure that the currency is correct and double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes. Then, you've entered the amount, you'll be prompted to select the recipient. In this case, we want to select PayPal. So, go ahead and enter your PayPal email address or phone number. Finally, review your transfer details one last time to make sure everything looks good, and hit that send button.